Good afternoon. It's Tuesday, December 8th, and this is what went down in chemistry and biology today. In chemistry B, what we looked at was conductivity. So we looked at the formula of conductivity and also give an example using a window pane. And we asked our students to tell us a little bit about how energy was moving and also how the different variables, if you adjusted these variables, what would happen to the amount of heat. This was done using Pear Deck, and most of the students received a summary Pear Deck in the stream. You can download your Pear Deck takeaway and take a look at your responses and go through those if you want to. Provides you with the information right there with what you did today in class. So that was our chemistry. And then we'll utilize that information tomorrow to probably just like build a simple slide to show what's going on with Flick and when he sticks his tongue to that pole. And we'll try to, examine why that's occurring with those substances. So that is what happened in chemistry B today. Again, if you got questions, let me know. In biology A, we actually did our lab. And with the lab, we had some outstanding participants, people that were willing to actually get out there and exercise. And most people did jumping jacks. I did some jump rope in second hour, and we were able to complete our lab in terms of collecting our data. The lab is in our Google Classroom, and if we go to that, we can simply find that under classwork, homeostasis lab exercise. And with that lab, which is right here, we have that. Keep in mind that the tabs are at the bottom and you want to look at the directions in case you're absent. This is the directions. This is the data where we fill the section out. And then we have our analysis or our questions as well. If you were absent, I will be posting some data tomorrow in class so that you can still complete this lab as directed. So if you were absent, do not turn one in. We will provide you with data tomorrow that you can work with. However, if you were in class today, your lab, these questions must be answered. And make sure you also have your graph of your data. Make sure you have that completed as well. If you have those two items completed, go ahead and hit the submit button and you can submit your lab. We'll then discuss how that's related to the slides where we had some homeostasis slides that we wanted to work with and looking at that feedback loops and how those tie into that. So we'll kind of tie the two things together. We'll do a Pear Deck or something like that. So that's what we're looking at for tomorrow. So great job, everyone that was here today. Again, working on those labs and getting those things done. If you got questions, feel free to send an email or put something in the chat. Take care, everyone. See you tomorrow.